its, its. These two words sound the same and they have the same spellings. However, they have two different meanings. The difference between these words is that the second its has an apostrophe between the letter T and S. In this lesson, we will look at the difference between its and when to use each one. Its. Its is a possessive pronoun. We use its when referring to something that belongs to someone or something someone owns. Other possessive pronouns include your, his, her, my, our, their. When we use its, we're generally referring to a thing or a place. For example, the cat is eating its food. So the cat is eating the food that belongs to it. Another example is, the dog wrinkles its nose. London is famous for its tourist attractions. Its, with an apostrophe. This is a contraction of it is or it has. For example, it's important to study before an exam. In this example, the sentence is, it is important to study before an exam. However, the words it is have been shortened to its. Another example is, it's a huge house. It's been snowing for 2 hours. In this example, the sentence is, it has been snowing for 2 hours. So the words it has been shortened to its. If you're ever confused about which its to use, then think about whether the sentence would make sense if you included it is or it has. If it makes sense, then include the its with the apostrophe. However, if the sentence doesn't make sense with it is or it has, then you know you have to use the possessive pronoun it.